I'm the ukulele fool, foolishly hoping that there is a song out there that will make you the ukulele player of your dreams. It might not be this song, but this is a good intermediate song because it's really going to help you with a couple troublesome chords like B flat and G minor. You need D minor, B flat, and A in order to do this song. They're done over and over and over again, which makes this just a really great training song. And then you also are going to need a G minor, and that might be a little unusual. Index finger reaching over to your C string, second fret with your middle finger, and the ring finger plays the third fret of the E string. That's G minor. The B flat is, it's a tricky chord, right? Some tips on getting that B flat to sound nicely is one, I roll my finger, my index finger, up to the top towards the headstock to get this bony portion of my finger in contact with both the E and the A string. So I roll it. I also change my position here, for maybe looking, let's see if I can get you so you can see that, looking like this to looking more like this, because that gives me, I'm kind of pinching and pulling my hand in to kind of squeeze that. Uh-oh. I better check on that. I'll be back. Okay, where was I? I have a complete short video on tips with B flat. I'll link it up here. The nice thing about this song is you're going from a D minor, so index finger and these two fingers are in the second fret on your G and C string, and you kind of going to do this rotation here. This finger's already in place for the B flat chord, which comes next. Oops, yeah, I didn't even hit that right. And then it goes to an A chord. You do that over and over in this song. So there is an interlude that uses a G minor, and you're coming to that G minor from an A. So you got to move this over to the A string and then bring these two in here for a G minor. More on that interlude later. The strumming pattern that is used throughout this song on the repeated parts, the sweet dreams are made of this, is a modified island strum. Down, down, up, and the B flat and A, they share a measure, so you have to go down, 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 down. Or at least that's my solution to it. It's not the right way, it's not the wrong way either, but this will get you through. Let's practice that together nice and slowly, no pesky lyrics. Just get your ukulele, let's do it together. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, D minor, we start. Down, down, up, B flat, A, drop, D, down, up, B flat, and A, and D, up, B flat, and A. One more time. Down, up, B flat, and A. The nice thing about having a repeated pattern like this is it gives you the opportunity to practice mentally. You can just remember that and kind of like go through that hand position even when you don't have your ukulele. I call that my mental ninja tricks. The other thing is music is such a multitasking event that I recommend that you even, sit and relax, have your favorite beverage, and sit and watch some really, mindless TV or something on YouTube and just, and practice without even worrying about singing. So include this in part of your relaxation as well as ukulele improvement. Let's go on to the interlude. Here's what the strumming pattern for the interlude looks like. So you do have that G minor, and you do a modified island strum on that. Down, down, up, the B flat and A. Share a measure with 2 down strums apiece, just like they did in the previous part of the song. Then you have a D minor where you're doing the modified island strum. Down, up, a B flat and a modified island strum. G minor, up, B flat, and A. Let's play that a few times, and then we'll talk a little bit about the oohing and awing part. So 1, 2, here we go. Down, down, up, B flat, A and D minor. Up, B flat, up, G minor, and B flat, A. One more time, and G minor, up, B flat, A and D minor, B flat, G minor, B flat, A. And you know, you've got the power to control the speed on this with YouTube. You knew about speed controls, right? Yeah. So you can slow me down even further if you like, and if I'm talking too much, speed me up. So that little interlude's got some tricky wiggity stuff going on. In the original recording, they're doing layering of Annie Lennox's voice with other things going on, and you know, as a solo ukulele player, you can't do that. If you have others to play with, then you can do more to replicate that. Here's my solution. Doing some oohing and awing. You're on that G minor and your E string. Ooh, so for the G minor chord, ooh, then you switch to the B flat, and again the E string has got your note. So for the B flat and A, then on the D minor, again on the ooh, then you switch to the B flat. So you're keeping the same note on the D minor and the B flat, and again it's there on your E string. When you get back to the G minor chord, you're on that E string and ooh, then you go to the A string, the B flat, and then the open A string. I'll play it for you. 1, 2, see if you can sing it with me. So just kind of ooh and ah, there's no right syllable there, just do it that way, see how it feels, see if that's a good solution for you. If not, just play it on your ukulele and don't do any vocals. This might give you another way of decoding what I'm doing for the vocal interlude, and I've included this in my chord chart as well. There's a part that I'm going to call the bridge, and you're just going to do 2 down strums on them, and I've got them in my chord chart. It's going to go, hold your head up, moving on, keep your head moving on, hold your head moving on, like that. And I'll put that in the play along as well. By the way, thanks to all my patrons for your support. I could not spend as much time teaching in front of the camera if it weren't for my patrons. Consider supporting this channel, but you get rewards too. You get access to all my chord charts for all the tutorials that I've done here on YouTube, and all the graphics that you've seen here in this video are included in the chord chart as well. So I hope that helps you on your ukulele journey, and you get 2 Zoom sessions a month with me at the $3 level, cancel anytime. All right, let's do a play along. There's your starting pitch, 1, 2, here we go. Want to on, keep your head up, moving on, hold your head up, moving on, keep your head up, moving on. Some of them want to use you, some of them want to get used by you, some of them want to abuse you, some of them want to be abused. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody's looking for something. Some of them want to use you, some of them want to get used by you, some of them want to abuse you, some of them want to be abused. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? I hope you enjoyed this play along and lesson. Thank you so very much for watching all the way to the end. Leave me a comment down below. Is this helping you on your ukulele journey? Or, do you remember when this came out? I mean, music videos were a big thing when this came out. I remember this song. So do you have memories of this song? All right, thank you so very much. Try some other videos that I've done recently. They'll be showing up around here. All right, thank you so much, and thank you to all my patrons.